Egos trip, but the humble never stumble. What's up, G4M gang? Thanks for clicking on this upload. I hope all is well. Jumping right into this content today, I am showing you the purple shade that we have in our G4MC Nail Kandies newest collection, which is the Sugar Cane Collection. So I've pre-prepped the nails by just simply putting a light coat of clear acrylic on them. These are the same nails that were on this hand when I did the MODELONES review for the poly gel. I simply filed it all the way down to the nitty gritty and kept the party moving. So this right here, I loved how this turned out. The purple shade is really nice. And, I just thought to myself, this collection is so bomb, but it needs to be put to work. So I would like to do a giveaway. Now, in order to enter the giveaway, you only have to do 3 things. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribed to our Instagram page, which is all the same at glow4 me cosmetics all together. And then leave a comment below with the word done. Include your email and your social media on Instagram or YouTube. We are going to randomly select a winner, but someone is going to win the complete sugarcane collection. I'm excited, aren't you? I hope so. As you see what I'm doing here, just doing the marble effect with the purple and the yellow. It's a fruity collection. That acrylic smells just like fruit. Like the grape smelled like grape. The yellow had me a little confused. I wasn't sure. So here I'm just adding little grape accessories, resin, that's what it is, on the nails, and then I am encapsulating it with my clear acrylic. I am using the MODELONES clear acrylic. On this nail right here, I chose Young Nails Cover Pink acrylic. I am keeping my brush flat just to make sure that the acrylic is laying flush to the nail bed to avoid any lifting. Also use Young Nails Protein Bond, 2 coats of it, just to make sure that there will be no lifting, which is what I would do had it been a real client, because we are still on lockdown. There has been no real clients. But I'm just applying a very, very thin layer because I have to do some encapsulating. I'm just, keeping my bead really wet, trying to maintain the shape of the nail, which these nails are shaped, they're all shaped differently for a reason, and just to give you an idea of how it would look. On this one, I decided to do the Color Block Glitter Ombre. I just used the yellow shade in the Fruity Collection from Mia Secrets Art Powder. And then I am putting the purple shade in our Sugarcane Collection on the tip. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it down just so you don't see any harsh lines. Again, keeping my beads of clear acrylic very wet, making sure I maintain my shapes. On the topic of the acrylic, you do want to make sure you blend it down as you're blending and using your acrylic to encapsulate the product. Make sure that hand is in the downward position. You will avoid flooding your cuticle and your side walls, which will also help you avoid any lifting. I really enjoyed using this purple shade in the KANE collection because within these shades, there are so many different shapes. So if I wanted mylar, I have that option. If I wanted fine or ultra fine, I have that option. If I wanted the octagon, bigger shaped circles, I have that option. You're getting 10 glitters per shade just in one jar. So much variety within it, it's bananas. This collection does come with a heap of candy. The white shade in our tube packaging as well. Now each nail is going to be pretty repetitive. Again, we're just putting down either the yellow shade, the purple shade in the art acrylic powder, and the purple shade in the glitter that we're encapsulating. That's pretty much it. I'm going to use this opportunity to say thank you to all of our OG subscribers, all of our new subscribers, all of the comments, the love, the support that you guys are showing us. We greatly appreciate it. We would not be here and we would not be growing this channel had it not been for you. So again, thank you so very much. And it does not go unnoticed. And that's why we have so many giveaways coming up for you guys. It's just to say thank you and that we appreciate you so very much. Now I don't want to talk through this entire video, so this is pretty much just how any application goes when you're encapsulating. Once I do encapsulate with the clear acrylic, I'm going to use my hand file to just touch up my shape. I'm going to use my e-file to get around the cuticle area, and then sidewall to sidewall to make sure that it is flat with no lumps and no bumps. And just a FYI, if you're having problems with filing and you notice once you're done laying your acrylic and you file, you still have a few lumps, a good way to fix that, use your hand file or your e-file. While you're filing, if you have any pockets, you need to file that area because it hasn't been touched with the file, and that's that air pocket that you want to get rid of. So, enjoy the video. I have left a few photos and some clips at the end to show you the final results. If you are not subscribed already, I'm not sure what you are waiting for. Again, U-turns are allowed here, and I mean, We are the Glitter Plug, so why would you not want to subscribe? Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when we upload, when we're uploading new content, when we have new reviews, giveaways, all that fun that we are all about. And until the next time, I will see you guys later. Thank you, stay safe, and goodbye.
to